This is our brand new house here in Pramana Residential Park, located in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. So this is a smart home with 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. So we have a big parking with provision for 2 carport. And this house actually comes with a ready installation for solar and generator. So you still have a space here on this side. So let's check inside. So ito yung ating living room area tsaka dining area. So the house is inclusive of aircon. Then sa kitchen, meron tayong granite countertop and range hood. And inclusive na rin siya ng mga kitchen cabinet. Actually, in this area, ginamit ng or minaximize ng gusto yung space sa hagdan. So meron tayong storage area here. Then meron din provision for pantry. Ayan. Ito naman ay shurak. Ayan. So mapapansin nyo talagang maganda yung pagkakagamit ng mga space niya. This is the guest room. May sarili siyang toilet and bath. And meron siyang open area dito. So yan, kung gusto mo ng aesthetic sa house mo, pwede kang maglagay ng small garden dyan. At ito yung common, ay powder room natin dito sa ground floor. Inclusive na rin ito ng maid's room. So dito banda yung ating maid's room. So meron kang dirty kitchen or laundry area. Then may access siya sa maid's room na meron ding sariling CR. So Pramana is located nga in Greenfield City. So this is one of the prime development here in Santa Rosa. If you're coming from Metro Manila, malapit siya sa Eton exit. So let's check the rooms upstairs. Ayan yung mga neighbor mo. Tahimik dito. So ito yung first room natin dito sa taas. So yung first tsaka second room, share sila ng toilet and bath. So, ayan yung connecting door. Ayan, so this is the other room. Malalaki yung window, kaya maliwanag. Tsaka malamig. Bukod sa maganda naman talaga yung weather dito sa Santa Rosa. So, meron pa tayong storage cabinet dito. And this is the master bedroom. So, itong house na to, inclusive na rin siya for CCTV. Kaya meron tayong ganyan. Ayan. So, dito mo pwedeng ilagay yung CCTV monitoring. And we have our wardrobe here. At ito, yung access sa balcony. So, say hi to your new neighbors here in Pramana. And yung master bedroom natin may sariling toilet and bath. So, dalawang SLEX exit yung malapit dito. Yung una ay yung Eton. Yung isa naman ay yung SLEX Santa Rosa. At malapit lang dito sa Calax. So, kung galing ka Cavite, you can travel through Calax, malapit lang doon. At kung galing ka naman sa Metro Manila, napakalapit lang ng SLEX exit. So, currently, this is 22.5 million. So, before mag-price increase, better na i-avail mo na ito. And if you need, pwede rin ito sa bank financing, kaya if you need a sample computation of this house, just contact me and let's schedule your house viewing.